In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. We're going to walk through a simple example so you can see exactly how VLOOKUP works and how to use it to return matching information from a table. This is especially useful when you have a list of records such as employee data, product lists, or IDs, and you want Excel to find a matching value for you automatically. To begin, open your Excel workbook or create one if needed, and make sure you're in the sheet where you want to use the VLOOKUP function. In this example, the sample data is already prepared in cells A1 through C6. Having your data organized in a clear table format is important because VLOOKUP searches the first column of the selected range and returns a value from another column in that same range. Next, set up the lookup value area. Click cell E1 and type employee ID. This creates a label so it's clear what value you'll be entering. Then click cell E2 and type the employee ID you want to search for. In this example, enter 1003. This is the value Excel will use to search the table. Now set up the result area. Click cell F1 and type employee name. This will label the result that VLOOKUP returns. After that, click cell F2 and enter the formula. Type equals VLOOKUP, then an opening parenthesis, followed by E2, a comma, A2C6, another comma, 2, another comma, false, and then a closing parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to look for the value in cell E2 inside the first column of the range A2 through C6, then return the matching value from the second column of that range. The word false is important here because it tells Excel to find an exact match, which is usually what you want when searching for IDs. Once the formula is entered, press enter. Excel will return the matching result. In this example, the result is Olivia because the employee ID 1003 matches that employee name in the table. You can also adjust the formula depending on what you want to return. If you want the department instead of the employee name, replace the 2 in the formula with 3. If you want to look up a different employee, simply change the value in E2. And if your data is stored in a different location, replace A2C6 with the correct table range. And that's it. That's how to use VLOOKUP in Excel quickly and effectively.